There has been a lot of awareness in the education sector in India, and this is increasing. Parents are aware of what is the right kind of education for their children. They know that there is a need for holistic education. Schools are trying their best to provide a holistic education, but still there is a gap. There is a gap of a skill-based curriculum. The traditional education structure is still flowing and the weightage is very high on the knowledge component. At Skills to Succeed, we recognized this gap, we identified it, and hence designed a skill-based curriculum to bridge this gap. The skill-based curriculum can be easily integrated with the academic curriculum. We provide the content of life skills training to the schools. We also train teachers on it so that the implementation becomes easier for them. In addition to the content designing and implementation and teacher training, we also help them in assessment and evaluation. The evaluation model is a 360-degree model through which the child is assessed. Parent is a major stakeholder in this. So the parent assesses the child, the teacher does, the instructor who goes from Skills to Succeed does, the child learns how to assess himself, and the peer does. We follow this 360-degree model of evaluation 4 times in a year. At Skills to Succeed, we understand that the quality of teachers is detrimental for the growth of students, and hence we have designed 14 workshops which form the Teacher Support Program. Teacher Support Program consists of 14 workshops which are delivered over a period of 1 year. They cater towards the soft skills of the teacher and the classroom pedagogy, and includes workshop on communication skills in the classroom. How do you understand the presence of different learning abilities in your classroom? How do you cater to diversity in your classroom, the diversity in culture? How do you use innovative teaching learning methods? How do you design rubrics? Our vision statement is better adults for a tougher tomorrow, and our approach is changing the world one child at a time. We want to bring in a desirable change in every child, and we know the first step towards bringing a change in the child is to empower the teachers, and hence we run teacher training workshops and student training workshops parallelly.